This 2016 Winnebago Spyder 24FQ is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, oven, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, TV antenna, microwave, TV, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Winnebago Spyder 24FQ is 6,940 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.